When I first walked into the practice, everybody made me feel welcome.
The team was incredible. Everybody was friendly. They made me feel at home. It was beautiful.
We are a practice that has a consistent team. Our team has been consistent because we share the same values, and those values are just to care for patients the way that we would like to be treated ourselves.
The doctors are excellent here. They know exactly what they're doing. They were very pleasant, very personable.
The doctors here at Innovative are wonderful. They treat their patients like their family. It means a lot.
Patient care for us encompasses the overall well-being of our patients. So it's our job to provide the best experience possible.
When you get that personal care, it's just worth more than gold.
We strive to provide excellent and predictable results. We utilize the most cutting-edge tools to ensure that patients are going to get the best outcome.
The process just was smooth. It was very easy. It feels good that I have a full mouth of teeth again. It's great to see there are people that care in this world.
When a patient leaves happy, I always congratulate the entire staff because it's not just me that is working towards the outcomes that we get, but the entire team.
Our doctors and our team are passionate about providing excellent care to each and every one of our patients.
It jump-started a new life for me. I eat healthier now. It's really been an awesome experience.
My life has improved so much. I smile a lot. Innovative has changed my life.